Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete Instagram chat from both sides permanently. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, we need to open Instagram, and here in the chats folder we need to find the chat that we want to delete, messages or the entire chat. So for example, I'll go with this chat, and here I'll show you first of all how to delete the messages from both sides. So basically you can just simply hold for a while on the message you want to delete and then simply click on unsend button, the last option here. So basically, and confirm the action, click on unsend. This will delete the message from both sides, and you can just simply click on each message here in the chat and unsend it, and it will delete the chat permanently. But the other way of how you can delete the chat, you can also here open the chat and turn on vanish mode by scrolling up chat like this. Vanish mode is turned on. Now you just simply need to type something and chat with your friend for a while, and then turn off vanish mode, just like that. As a vanish mode turned off, it means that the chat is deleted permanently from his side also, and basically he won't be able to see the previous messages that were just before the vanish mode was turned on. And basically that is it. That is how I can delete Instagram chat from both sides permanently. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.